Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. So I'm going to go up under Review to start out in the upper left corner. Okay. Next one up here is our Preferences. I'm going to click in here. We'll spend a little bit of time here today. Okay, we'll go to Tools on the left here. And under Markups, one that I like to keep on is the Reuse Tools. What that means is when I draw a line, if this is checked on, I can continue drawing lines until I hit Escape and tell it that I'm done with that tool. If I turn this off, as soon as I finish a line, it kicks me out of that command and I need to go select it again. So I like to leave this one on so I can just continually use that same tool until I decide that I'm done. Just below that, auto size text box and callout markups. What that means is when I draw a text box and I finish typing, it's going to shrink the box to fit the text. So let's jump out and show you what that one looks like. I'm going to say, okay. I grab my text box and I just draw the box. Usually you're going to draw it bigger than you think the text is going to be. And then you're just going to type in whatever your note is going to be. This is a text box. And you'll notice when I click off of this, two things are going to happen. It's going to shrink the box because of that auto size text box check mark. And it's also going to start a new text box because I have my reuse tool checked on. So here you can see it shrunk and it's asking me to draw another box. I'm just going to hit Escape to cancel that. But there you can see how those two tools work together. That's your reuse, where it started a new text box, and auto size, where it shrinks the text to fit the box. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.